Hi everyone! So this is now the video lecture para ma-walk through kayo sa paggamit ng MetaTrader sa mobile. Alright, so we'll go with the generic mobile app ng MetaTrader. Okay, so where do you find your mobile app? So syempre, punta kayo sa App Store kung kayo ay iPhone, pero kung kayo ay naka-Android, it's Google Play. Alright, so search nyo lang MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, depende sa inyong platform ng trading account. In my case, I'm going to use the MetaTrader 5. So once it's downloaded, you can open it. Alright? So, you start by logging in. So, click the settings here. Alright? And then there's a new account. And you search for your broker. So, basically, since we are featuring Vantage, ang ating server is Vantage International Group Limited. Alright? And then you can find your server. Kung live account, then use the live account na server found in your email yan. Alright? Kung demo, then the demo server. Okay, where do you find these details? Login, your password, alright? And the server. You can find it in your email. So, halimbawa, punta ako dito sa email ko. Alright, here we go. Alright, so dito nakalagay yung MT5 login. Basically, this is your account number. And then there's a password. By default, mayroong sineset sa iyo na password. Pero pwede mo naman yang i-change or i-customize sa iyong client portal. So maglalagin ka lang sa client portal mo sa Vantage. And then, punta ka sa accounts. And then, there's a settings button. Okay? So basically, you need to copy first this this password na default and then paste it dun sa account sa change password. Alright? So, you can nominate your desired password. So, moving forward, yun na yung gagamitin mo when you log to your trading account in the platform. Alright? So, once you copy this, punta ka na dito. Alright? And when it's done, it should appear to be logged in like this. So, malalaman mong successful yung login mo, makikita mo yung name mo, plus the account number and the server. Alright? So, now let's walk you through sa mga tabs dun sa baba. No? Let's start with the leftmost. Ito yung quotes. So, quotes are your instruments that you can trade, which you can actually customize. For example, there's the pencil button here sa taas. Okay? Pwede mong i-remove yung mga ayaw mo. For example, yung USD ZAR. Okay, I check it. And then there's a trash can icon sa upper right. Click mo lang yon and then it will be gone. Okay? Highlight mo yung mga ayaw mo i-trade or di mo naman gustong i-monitor. Okay? And then, simply delete. Okay? What if meron kang gustong i-add? Pwede mo namang i-search dito yung symbol. So, for example, BTC USD. Okay? So, just click the plus sign. Okay? And then you can see it there. Okay? Now, the next tab is the chart. Alright? So, now we're looking at a gold chart. And upper left is your time frame. So, that's an M1. You can tap that and you can choose your time frame. For example, I want to look at the hourly chart. That's H1. Okay? What if I want to change the instrument? Go back to your quotes. Let's say you want the chart of USD JPY. Tap the USD JPY. There's the choice chart. Okay? And it leads you to the second tab, yung chart. Alright. The chart tab allows you also to execute a trade. Sa upper right corner, meron tayo ritong trade button. So, the middle is your lot size, which you can customize. Okay? Let's say I want to trade 0.10, which is a mini lot. Alright? And I want to buy. So, click your buy. There. Now, you can see the buy indication nandun sa nakalagay sa left banda, no? Nakalagay buy 0.10. Okay? So, makikita mo yung status ng trade dito sa trade tab, yung pangatlo, o yung nasa gitna. So dyan makikita mo kung gaining yan, kulay blue. Kung losing, that's your red. Okay? And pwede mong i-customize yung trade position by tapping it. Okay? And then nakalagay dyan, modify position. So pwede mong lagyan yan ng stop loss at a given price. Okay? Let's say, since pumasok ako sa 151.6, let's say, ikakat ko yan sa 150, 1 flat. Okay? And then, take profit kung halimbawa mag 155. Okay? Then, modify. So, in that case, pag tinap mo to, makikita mo yung details ng trade mo na meron kang stop loss and take profit. Alright? Yung SLNTP mo na sinet, makikita mo rin yan dito sa chart. Okay? So let's say I'm changing the time frame to day 1. Now you can see the TP and the SL right there. Okay? Now, as to how to understand the chart, that can be learned in a different video lecture about technical analysis. Okay? So now let's proceed with the fourth tab. This is your account history. So dito sa account history, makikita natin yung mga past trades mo. You can customize the timeline nito like today, last week, last month, last 6 months, last year, or custom. Meaning custom, you can set the range na gustong i-cover. Alright? So, this is how you use the MetaTrader in the mobile